And welcome to biology for today. As I said, I am going to be out because having surgery on my left hand, so I just wanted to explain to you what would be going on for today. Again, make sure that your backpacks are in the back, your phones are in your backpack. Okay, all you're really going to need today, again, is your computer. Okay, make sure that you do all these things and don't give the sub any problems through the course of the class. Okay, the first thing that is going to happen today is you are going to be taking your first quiz over the characteristics of life. You will have to go through Lockdown Browser. Okay, once you get into Lockdown Browser, it is going to ask you for a passcode to get into the quiz. Your code for that quiz is going to be CLQ202. Again, I'm trying to get it straight. CLQ202. Okay. After you finish your quiz, make sure you hit the submit button to do that. And then you will need to close up your computer and put it underneath your desk. That'll help the sub know when everybody is done. If you are one of the people that has access to the den and want to go to the den during your quiz time, make sure you come up to the sub and get a pass to the den. I will have explained it in my instructions to her. Okay. It should take you no longer than 20 minutes at the most to be done with this quiz. Most of you will get done with that a lot sooner. For you guys, if you go to the den and take it, I do expect you to get it done and get back because we are going to continue and you're still going to be responsible for the work. Okay. Following the quiz, the sub will be playing a video for you. That video is me going through your PowerPoint today. If you want to follow, so during that time, that is why I want your computers to stay under the desk at that time and you to be paying attention to the screen. Okay. After the PowerPoint is finished, there will be another video that we will be going through together, and you will be needing your computers to do that, and I'll talk to you about that more in the next video.